Hey there, John Michaelides here. Today I want to talk a little bit about the county probate courts in Florida, what personal representatives need to know. So in Florida, the circuit courts have jurisdiction over probate. And the circuit courts in Florida are assigned a certain number of counties that they have jurisdiction over. So the county courthouses are where you will go to file. The circuit courts oversee the proceedings. So let's answer some basics. Do you need to hire an attorney? Almost always, not 100% of the time, but almost always it's required that you hire a Florida licensed probate attorney. So your first step is to contact a reputable Florida licensed probate attorney. If you don't know one, give me a call and we'll refer you to a good probate attorney to help you out. Now, how much does it cost? That's a common question people have. What's probate going to cost? Well, it depends, right? But the components are known. So you're going to have your attorney fees. Whatever attorney you hire, you need to discuss their fees. Now, there's going to be court fees. So you could go to the websites of the various county probate courts and look up their fee schedule. And if you're looking at the associated blog post to this video, you'll see the link that'll take you right to the Sarasota, Manatee, and or Charlotte County fee schedules to help you out. So you've got the attorney fees, the court fees, and then you've got the costs associated with all the stuff that needs to get done. Do you have real estate that needs to get cleaned out, repaired, sold? Right? Do you have all those kind of people that you've got to hire to get things done to close out the estate? So there's costs associated with that. So what will the total cost be? We don't know for sure, but we know you're going to have attorney fees, court fees, and then the ancillary costs of getting stuff done to close out that probate. Now, who does this stuff? The probate attorney does the legal stuff, only about 20% of the things that need to be accomplished, which surprises personal representatives. And by the way, personal representative is the one appointed by the court to administer the estate under Florida probate law. Typically, well, I'll tell you exactly. That person has to be at least 18 years old. They cannot be a convicted felon. They have to be of sound physical and mental capacity to carry out the duties of being a personal representative. And they either have to be a Florida resident or a close relative, spouse, child, parent, sibling of the decedent, of the person who has passed away. In addition, a bank or savings and loan institution that is authorized to carry out what are called fiduciary responsibilities in the state of Florida, they can also act as a personal representative, and a trust company incorporated in the state of Florida can act as a personal representative. Now, the personal representative is responsible for the 80% of things that the probate attorney does not do, the non-legal stuff that has to be taken care of. So, how long does the probate process take? Depends on the estate. Some estates are very simple and can be closed out relatively quickly. Others are very complicated and can take years. It's going to be months. It's not going to be days or weeks. It will be months to close out the probate, to close out the estate. So the point is, there's no benefit to anyone in delay because you've got to maintain property. Expenses build up over time. So the quicker that the personal representative gets the ball rolling, the quicker the probate can be settled, the estate can be settled, the probate can be closed, and that minimizes expenses. When expenses are minimized, there is more left to distribute to the beneficiaries, to the heirs. So it's in the personal representative's great self-interest to make sure things are done as quickly as possible. Make sense? Listen, you can contact me, John Michaelides, 941-218-0191. Two relevant web addresses, equityprobateservice.com, equityprobateservice.com. That's, call it a ministry if you will, that I founded. We operate in Manatee, Charlotte, and Sarasota counties, Florida, to help guide, free of charge, it's referral based, personal representatives to making sure they're put in touch with the right people to help them with all of the non-legal stuff that the probate attorney does not handle. And then another website for you, equitygrowthrealty.com, equitygrowthrealty.com. I'm a 30-year real estate broker. I also own a separate property management company, Real Property Management of Sarasota, Manatee. I also happen to be a licensed attorney, licensed in Illinois because I went to law school at Northwestern University in Chicago. I don't practice law, but I'm a licensed attorney, so I'm very familiar with the probate process. I'm what's called a certified probate expert. So I want to help guide you, whether there's real estate or not. That has nothing to do with it. Equityprobateservice.com is just a referral service to help people in your situation. Okay, listen, I'm rambling on. Have a great day, and God bless you.